This online store sells simple Bible verse shirts and faith based products. And based on my research tool, they are estimated to be generating $23,000 in revenue per month. Now, of course, we don't know their exact profit margins, and results like this are never guaranteed. But what really caught my attention was this one shirt right here, a simple shirt that says Jesus is King. And this one design appears to be generating around $5,000 per month for just one shirt design, and a very simple one at that. And what's really interesting is most people actually just scroll past products like this every single day without realizing that there is a very simple business behind that product that is running in a completely automated way. Now, personally, I understand why products like this resonate with people. So many people want to represent their faith by having a Bible verse home decor or wearing their faith on their clothing. And gifting of faith-based products is a regular thing during difficult seasons of life. Sometimes these aren't just products, they're actually reminders. Encouragement and comfort. The emotional connection is exactly why this niche works so well. People want things that inspire them or that bring peace to their home, things that reflect their faith and their values. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you in today's video. Not some unrealistic get-rich-quick fantasy, but a business model that already has tons of demand, and one that shows there are still meaningful opportunities for people who are willing to put in the effort and stay consistent. Because sometimes I think a lot of people out here just assume that meaningful opportunities no longer exist. And then you come across a store like this one and realize there are actually people building full entire businesses around simple, passion-filled ideas. So now let me show you exactly how this works.
The very first thing that I would do is study products that are already selling. Not copying, but paying attention to patterns, what phrases, what colors keep showing up, what styles feel modern and wearable, and what products seem to get the most sales. And so we are over here on Etsy. I have simply typed in Jesus shirt. Comfort Colors is a brand of a t-shirt that is really on trend and selling really well. And then we have our niche here. And as we scroll through, we can take notes of the styling, what types of things are listed as popular now or bestsellers. We can see a lot of charcoal, a lot of brown, some blues and whites. Just really take note of the colors and the visuals of everything that you see that is already selling. You really don't need to reinvent the wheel here. Success leaves clues, and it is all right here. So as you can see, this is short, simple, emotionally powerful. These are popular now. Here's another one, popular now, very, very simple. Here's another one, very, very simple. Now, once you have some inspiration, this is where tools like Everbee or Sales Samurai come into play, which are Etsy research tools. And here is the store that I mentioned. They've literally only been open for 2 years, and they make 882 sales per month with an estimated monthly revenue of $23,000. And then if we click on their listings here, we can see this Comfort Colors Jesus shirt that is listed for $27. It's doing 124 sales a month and $5,000 in revenue. So this is really great information because you don't need to sit there staring at a blank screen trying to think of ideas from scratch. Once you have a few ideas of things that you like, then you can use ChatGPT, Canva, or Kittl to go and create your own unique design. And as you saw from the ones on Etsy, clean typography, neutral colors, minimal designs, things that people would actually just wear on a daily basis. That's very simple, works very, very well. So today I just used ChatGPT and I said, I need a simple text-based design for a t-shirt to sell on Etsy, bestseller vibes, without copying any other seller directly. It says Jesus is King, maybe with a tiny cross as well, and please make the design 300 DPI. So this is what it came up with. Simple, clean, I love it. It didn't look like any of the other designs exactly that were over on Etsy. And then I asked it to also do a white text version with a transparent background. Boom, there we go. And so then I can just download that and take it right over to Printify. So Printify is actually what makes this super beginner friendly. You don't need to hold the inventory. store. You don't need to package orders. You don't need shelves full of shirts sitting in your garage. You simply come over here, upload that design that we just made in ChatGPT, and you can preview what it looks like on a shirt or a mug or a tote bag, right? There's thousands of products to choose from here. And when someone places an order, Printify is going to print, pack, and ship that for you, which means you can focus on more important tasks such as marketing instead of logistics. And that's why I think print on demand has become such a powerful business model for beginners. It truly lowers the barrier to entry dramatically. And Printify even has a free pop-up shop that you can plug into and publish your items to right away, which costs $0. No money to set up your store, and you can start selling right away and start getting into profit. And then that brings me to the Facebook strategy. And one of the biggest opportunities people are missing with businesses like this is attention, because that is where most people stop. They create the product, they get it on Etsy, they tap into Etsy buyers, which is great, but they never build their own audience. Meanwhile, pages like this one with faith-based content are getting millions of views every single day with simple Bible verses, encouraging messages, and the type of posts that scream, "Send this to someone who needs this today." People connect deeply with this kind of content emotionally, which means it is constantly shared. And then when you're getting attention like this, 10,000 likes, 3,000 shares, 1,300 comments, when you combine attention like this with products like the t-shirt I just showed you, that's when things can start compounding very, very quickly. Imagine building a Facebook page around uplifting faith-based content just like this, growing an audience by running very simple penny ads, and then occasionally featuring your t-shirts or your wall art inspired by the same message that people are already emotionally connecting with, right? That's a much stronger strategy than simply uploading random products and hoping people find them. And so growing a page like this is incredibly simple. It is my specialty. I've been doing this for years and helping others do the same. And my channel is dedicated to that here. So if you aren't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you need more help, I'm here to answer your questions or welcome you into my full program and mentorship group. And finding the content to post that's proven to go viral is as simple as plugging into this other software that I use on a daily basis called Post Planner to help me research what's working, what's going viral, what people are engaging with, and then remaking it myself either with ChatGPT or Canva, and then deploying it straight to my own theme page. And so here's an example page that I set up in another video just to show you exactly how to set up a page step by step. But then under the professional dashboard is where you can actually get paid by Facebook in order to post. And I get paid 23 cents per 1,000 views. And I've gotten upwards of 50 million views in a single month just by posting. Okay, so the two elements here are create the store. You can get visitors from Etsy, or you could set up just a free pop-up shop with Printify and then come over here and share it on a theme page. And it's as simple as hitting this advertise button. And I have students paying as little as 2 cents per follower to get people to the page. And these are targeted people that are interested in whatever your theme page is about, whether it's a Bible page, a cat page, a fitness page, right? I have students under all sorts of different niches. I personally have a theme page in the health and wellness niche with 370,000 followers, and 100,000 of those came from this advertise button right here, and 270,000 came organically, which is a result of building an audience and posts going viral.
And this is also why I recommend stacking income streams instead of relying on just one thing, because now you potentially have product sales, Facebook monetization, affiliate income, digital products later on, and even sponsorships eventually. So you're building an actual brand around a niche that already has a strong emotional connection and community behind it. Now, again, I'm not saying everyone who starts a faith-based business is going to suddenly make thousands overnight. That's not what I'm saying, but what I am saying is that this niche has demand. And if this is a niche that you're passionate about, if it represents your personal values, and you want to share that with others, my successful students have already proven that this works, and I would love to guide you on helping to make this work for you. And I think sometimes we can really underestimate how powerful very simple ideas can become when they genuinely connect with other people emotionally and represent our own personal values, especially in today's world where people are constantly searching for hope, encouragement, and meaning. And that's why products like this continue to sell in full demand, because they're not just shirts after all, right? For a lot of people, they're daily reminders of faith, strength, peace, and identity. And when you pair meaningful products along with consistent content and attention, you create something much bigger than a random side hustle. So allow this video to be your reminder that there's still room for creativity and passion-filled businesses online. And when you're truly passionate about a topic and it gives you purpose, you're going to be much more likely to stick with it for the long term than if you're just setting out to do something just to make money. So you don't need to start perfectly, just start. I have all of my best resources linked for you down below. If you need help taking this to the next level, I would love to see you in my live coaching community. Make it an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.